shaking. Grab yourselves into. Grab yourselves into 4. Go! Okay, so 3 kicks out. Okay, 3 kicks out. Into 4. Okay, into 4. 3 kicks out. Okay, so sinong tatlong kids? Ayun, biglang naging 16 sila. Okay, so sinong kids yung tatlo? May bagong salin? Wala. So, 15 na lang po sila. Okay, so 16 kids. Ayan, so sa 16 kids, merong ma-out na isa, okay? So, the boat is sinking. The boat is sinking, hold your nose, bend your knees, and then wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The boat is shaking. The boat is shaking, raise your hand, bend your knees, and then shake, shake, shake. Okay, the boat is shaking and the boat is sinking. Grab yourselves into, grab yourselves into 5, go! 5. Ayan, so 1 kid out. 1 kid out. Okay, so sino kid yung matanggal? Ayun, so si baby. E. Okay, so baby, comes to Ate Trish. Okay, so baby, can you dance nobody? Nagsasayaw ba si E? And then get your consolation prize, baby. Raise your hands, bend your knees, and then shake, shake, shake. Okay, so the boat is shaking. Grab yourselves into, grab yourselves into 4, go! Okay, bring it out. Good, bring it out. Into 4. Into 4. Ayan, so kuya kami here. Ayan, and then sino out sa grupo ng kids? Ayun, so PJ. Sasayaw mamaya ng nobody si PJ. Nas bibigyan siya ni Ate Trish ng 2 toy. Deal or no deal?
Deal. Deal.
Deal, okay. So, syempre, Mark, may message ka ba for Shanil? Happy birthday. Maganda ba si Shanil? Kaano-ano mo si Shanil? Pinsan pala. Dalawain ko po sana. Okay, so Mark, Jen, and PJ, tatawagin kayo ulit ni Ate Trish mamaya. And for now, take your seat muna. Ayan, so take your seat muna, kids. And then yung 12 kids, will tie kids. So malapit na kumuha ng winner si Ate Trish. Okay, so 12 kids. So yung 12 kids. Okay, kayo po ang mommy. Okay, so mommy, mamaya pag hindi nagsayaw ng nobody si Princess, kayo ang magpo-proxy sa kanya. Okay po ba tayo doon? Walang problema. And then, baby, what's your name?
Hailey.
Owie. Okay, kung ba Owie, lalaban ka ba sa pagalingan sumayaw? Hindi. Okay, so Owie, mamaya bibigyan kita ng 2 toy. Ang gagawin mo lang, sasayaw ka ng your body. Deal or no deal? Okay, Owie, 3 toy. Deal or no deal?
John Plain.
Okay, nag-iisip.
John
Owie,
Plain.
4 na toy. Deal or no deal?
Raisa.
Hindi. Okay, so 5 toy, Owie. Deal or no deal? Ayan, ayaw po talaga hanggang 5 lang si Ate. Okay, so baby, take your seat muna. And then sa 10 kids. Ayan, so balik kayo sa circle, kids. Balik sa circle. Okay, so the boat is sinking. The boat is sinking, hold your nose, bend your knees, and then wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 the boat is shaking. The boat is shaking, raise your hands, bend your knees, and then shake, shake, shake. Okay, so the boat is sinking and the boat is shaking. Grab yourselves into, grab yourselves into 4, go! 4, into 4, 4. Okay, so look it out. Look it out. Look it out. So, sinong out for this group? Ayan. So, si Tita lang ang nagsabi. Tita. Umiyak na.
Lalagot.
Ayan. So, Elaine and Alaika, kayo ba sasali sa pagalingan sumayaw? Okay. So, tatawagin kayo mamaya ulit ni Ate Trish. Okay. So, last 2 rounds tayo, guys. Last 2 rounds. Then, balik tayo sa circle. Ayan, baby. Usap ka dito, baby. Okay, so balik tayo sa circle. And then the boat is sinking. The boat is sinking. Hold your nose. Bend your knees. And then wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, the ball is taken. Group yourselves into. Group yourselves into 5. Go! 5, 5, 5, 5. Into 5. Ayan. Nagkakahinakalat ko na kami. Yung lata. Okay. Ayan, so yung tatlo. Si Sean, si Jay, si Elwood, si Nip. Grabe kasi. Okay, so kayong tatlo ba sasali kayo mamaya sa pagalingan sumayaw? Okay, so syempre bago kayo umupo, greet niyo muna si Chanel ng happy birthday. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, so tatawagin kayo mamaya ulit ni Ate Trish. Okay, so kids, kukuha na si Ate Trish ng winner. Okay? So ang kukunin winner ni Ate Trish for this game is dalawa lang. Okay, so dalawa lang yung kukunin ni Ate Trish. Okay? Okay, so last round tayo muna ulit, kids. Hands down, kids. Okay, so the boat is shaking. The boat is shaking. Raise your hands. Bend your knees. And then shake, shake, shake. Okay, so the boat is shaking. The boat is shaking. Grab yourselves into. Grab yourselves into 3. Go! 1 into 3. Wow! Ayan. So, tatlo lang po. Tatlo lang. Tatlo lang. Ayun. Sige. Sino out? Sino natira sa group? Okay. So, Ate Shagil, sa tingin mo sinong ma-out sa kanilang apat?
Time po.
Si Carl. And then, sino ba yung isa? Okay, so kailangan ito na lang kayo matira. Sino ba yung gusto mong ma-out, Shagil? Wala na. Okay, so Carl, paano ba yan? Gusto ni Shagil ma-out ka na sa game. Papayag ka ba doon? Hindi. Ayan. So, anong sasabihin mo kay Shagil para hindi kanya tanggalin sa game?
Happy birthday.
Ayun, happy birthday daw, Shagil. Gusto mo pa rin ba siya tanggalin? Hindi na. Okay, so wala tayong winner. Okay, sabay tayo, kids. Ayan. So, ganito ang gagawin ni Ate Trish, kids. Kayong 5, winner na kayo sa game. Pero syempre, bago manalo sa game, kailangan magda-dance muna. So, Shagil, di baby, dito ka sa gitna. Ayan, dito ka sa gitna. Okay, so dito kayo, baby. Line up kayo dito. Ayan, line up kayo dito, baby. Ayan, so hands down tayo, kids. Hands down. Hands down tayo, kids. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, dito kayo, baby, Jen. Ayan, dito kayo. Okay. So, listen po tayo. So, pagalingan sumayaw po tayo. And then, syempre, kayo po ang magiging judge kung sino magaling sumayaw sa kanila. At dadaanin po natin ito sa palakpakan portion. Okay? So, huwag po natin daanin sa banabilan na lang kamag-anak o ng kaibigan. So, maging fair po tayo. Okay? So, palakpakan naman po for the kids. Ayan. So, mas malakas pong palakpak. Ayan. So, okay. Okay, so kids, get ready. Wow! Dito ka sa harap, dito ka. Dito ka sa harap. Ayun, kanina mo anak ko. Wow! Halika ko sa harap. Okay. Okay, lalaban ko ka sa anak ko. Oh, diba? Ayan, so nakita niyo po ba? Okay, so nakita niyo po ba kung sino ang magaling sumayaw? Ayan, so halatang halata naman po kung sino ang nag-lactone. Ayan. So, syempre, who's in favor with Mary Grace? Ayan. So, Mary Grace. Ayan. So, syempre, ang nag-lactone. Who's in favor with Mary? Wow. Talaga, Tina. Okay, and then who's in favor with April? Ayan, may gusto ko itong sabihin sa kanila. Konting panawagan. Thank pumalakpak kay Imran. And then, palakpakan ka. Palakpakan niyo daw po si Sofia. Okay, si Sofia, sino kasama mo today? Itulong mo si Mama, si Papa. Ayun, kaya pala, bonggang-bongga, palakpak si Mami. At syempre, who's in favor with Alaika? Alaika, may gusto ko bang sabihin sa kanila? Wala. Okay. So, who's in favor with Jet? Ayan. So, Jet, lala mo ba siya? Kasi siya lang ang pumalakpak sa'yo, baby. And then, who's in favor with? What's your name? Who's in favor with Raisa? Yan. Pinasigurado ako kapag anak yung batang ko. Ako, sa kabigotin eh. Ayan, who's in favor with JC? Ayan. Shagin ka, ano mo si JC? Kaya pala yung mga kapag-anak ko pumapalakpak. And who's in favor with PJ? Wow! Lolang-lola. And then for Shanshan. Wow! Ano ka ito, baby? Ayan. So, si Nora. Who's in favor with E? Ayun, si Mommy. Supportive stage mama. And then, syempre, who's in favor with? Gusto niyo bang kumain? Gusto niyo bang kumain? Who's in favor with Shamil? Wow! Ayan, siguro magutom na kayo. Okay, and then syempre, ang nanalo for this game, syempre, palakpakan naman para sa bata. Anak ko! Ayan, so palakpakan naman for Elaine.
Sup?
Ayan, so Elaine, here's your prize. And then
Sophia.
syempre sa lahat ng isa na walang nakuha prize, so sali ulit sila sa game ni Ate Trish. Okay, so ang next game natin, kailangan ko ng 5 girls and 5 boys. Nakasigla lang ni Shanil.
Smile daw, smile.